All righty, I want to welcome you guys to the Travorium Zoom call. This is the launch of our brand new concept. And although our concept is new, you are here at the beginning, the very genesis. The company launching this is not new. They are now going into their ninth year in business. They paid out millions of dollars in commissions all around the globe. Beautiful home office, customer service in 3 different languages. By the way, for those of you that I have not previously met, my name is Todd. I'm broadcasting from Southern California. For my wife, Gina, and I, this has just been one of those unbelievable, breathtaking, pinch yourself kind of experiences. Now, as we get into our presentation, I do got to cover the legal disclaimer that although we've had massive success in past, that is not a guarantee we're going to have success in the future. I think we all know that. Like 2020 and COVID-19 proved that anything can happen at any time, but the legal department makes us read that. However, as we enter our concept, I always like to go back to what I call the core question. And the core question is, if you had all the time and all the money in the world, what would you do? And if you went out and asked most people that question, they say, man, I would travel the world. I would delve into my hobbies and passions. I would go on adventures. I would live life on my terms. I would spend time with my loved ones. The bottom line is that people dream of a different life. They dream of a better life. So how do you get more time? How do you get more money? Well, if you were to ask the author of the best-selling financial book of our era, he would tell you that 95% of all people are on the wrong path. They're going to end up at a place they do not want to end up because they have a job or they own a job. And only 5% of the population has figured out how to make money work for them. My money works, so I don't have to. I got my money making me money. I have a business that works, so I don't have to. I mean, I could be light beamed off the planet and the money continues to come in because it's my business that works, right? And so that's what we want to show the other 95% of the people out there how to do. And there's only 3 ways to get more money. You've either got to save money, make money, or learn how to grow your money. And as I mentioned, our company, we got started back in 2013, well-established, beautiful home office, customer service, 3 different languages in 63 plus countries, launching a brand new concept. You're here at the beginning, the very genesis. If you look at our CEO and founder and his lovely wife, they are world-class entrepreneurs. In fact, Mr. Hart was a finalist for Entrepreneur of the Year by a major financial publication here in the United States, Inc. magazine. And so obviously very well documented success story there. And his company happens to be in 3 of the largest industries on the planet. Number 1, you got the travel industry. This was where we built our roots. This is our background. This is how we got to the 60 plus countries and paid out the millions in commissions. And so the travel industry happens to be the single largest industry on the planet. And by the way, with the vaccines being disseminated, there is a travel boom that is about to happen. We are also involved in the direct selling industry, the home business industry, showing people how to make money from the comfort of their home, how to make residual income anywhere in the world. And that was a $1 trillion trend even before COVID-19. So even before a couple billion people Googled, how do I make money from home? That industry was already exploding. And then now we're going into the foreign exchange market. Now, this is a travel related industry. If you've ever traveled to another country, the first thing you have to do is trade in your money for the currency of that country. It's something most of us have already done. We've already participated. We just didn't know how to profit from it. We didn't know how to make money from that. Well, the foreign exchange market happens to trade this stuff on a daily basis, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, no different than the stock market. And you can make money whether the price is going up or whether the price is going down if you have the right information. And when you look at the Forex market, it happens to be 20 times the size as the United States stock market. And that shocks a lot of people. Like, wow, I mean, how is that possible? How is this thing so big, so massive and lucrative? And yet I know so little about it. Well, it's because up until a handful of years ago, unless you were a wealthy individual, a millionaire, unless you were a big bank, an institution, average people could not participate. Today, if you have a $100 bill on a mobile phone, you can begin to make money in the single largest financial market in the world if you have the right information. And that's where our company got extremely blessed. We met a company out of Canada. This is a professional Forex company. They are the gurus of what they do. They trade money for the wealthy. They trade money for institutions. They win 70% of their trades. They can go back 2 years without a single down month. They've actually earned some of their clients 12% in a single month, not in a year, in a month. And I don't mean that as a financial claim. I mean, markets go up, markets go down, anything can happen anytime. But obviously, these guys are very, very good at what they do. And that's why the wealthy hired them. I mean, if you're wealthy, you can hire anyone in the world. You have access to the best law firms, the best financial brokerages, the best, financial advice. And many of the people have chosen to hire this firm, the same firm that you now have access to. And they put together a complete program to take someone who knows nothing about foreign exchange. I don't even know how to spell foreign exchange, and take you from, ABC 1, 2, 3, all the way to PhD. And part of the service every day, they do a daily market analysis. They send out daily trade ideas. And this is where you can basically look at the trade ideas that are coming out from the gurus and say, you know what? Their gurus are saying I should buy this at this price and sell this at this price and take profit here. This is an incredible learning tool that can accelerate your knowledge of understanding the market, and you can emulate the moves of the pros. And if you do what the pros do, you get the results the pros get. And we've had people already in our company that have been crushing this. I mean, making money right from their mobile phone. I mean, sitting on the beach, on vacation, at the pool. I mean, incredible stories that are coming out with people that are following their advice. And again, right off their mobile phone, able to make money. And we're rolling that product out, by the way, for less money than any other company in the industry today. We'll talk about that in a moment. Now, we're also in the travel space. This is our roots. And the reason we got so big is because we did three things better than any other company on the planet. We showed people how they could save on travel, like up to 70% off. We showed people how they could earn free travel. And we also showed people how they could get paid to travel. And we found out that when you show people how to travel for, huge discounts, you show people how to travel for free, that is going to make you very popular. Now, when you look at the travel space, single largest industry in the world, if you want proof of that, just pull up a list of the top 10 internet companies in the world. Not one of them, but two of them are travel companies. And what people don't realize is there's a monopoly in travel. In fact, a lot of people today, they price shop. So let's say you want to go, check the price of some trip. You go to Expedia, you check their price. You go to Orbitz, check their price. Go to Trivago, Hotwire, Travelocity, Cheap Tickets, Hotels.com. You're doing all this work, not even realizing the whole time that the same company owned every single one of those sites. And that just frustrates a lot of people. They're like, you got to be kidding me. I'm over here doing all this work, all this research, think I'm price shopping, not realizing the same company owned every single one of them. And so we decided to bring something different to this marketplace, to bring a Netflix type model where we get rid of all of the markup and people could travel for way less. Now, I believe documentation beats conversation. So let me give you a couple of examples. This is the Crystal Cancun Resort in Mexico. Expedia's price $17.97, our price $11.48. Now, some people might be like, wait a minute, hold on, Todd. They're a big company. I mean, how are you guys getting a better rate than Expedia? We're not. Expedia has access to the exact same rate of $11.48. They chose to jack the price up $649 so that they could pay for all those commercials you see on television. How about the Priceline negotiator, Captain Kirk, beam me up, Scotty? Certainly he wouldn't do me wrong. Well, you want to go to the Paradise Point Hotel in San Diego for 3 nights. Their price $13.07. The real price $665. Folks, you saved almost over $150 per night. I mean, most people got something better to do with $641 in San Diego than give it to the Priceline negotiator. Again, they had access to the same rate we do. They chose to mark it up. And when you get rid of all that markup, people can travel for significantly less. Now, the stuff that really made us popular is our vacation program. And here we can show anyone, anywhere, any budget, how to not have one, but how to have multiple vacations per year. I'm talking 7 nights, 8 days, 2,000 resorts all over the world. Plus we have our world tours. So let me give you an example. Let's say you want to go to Cabo San Lucas. I mean, Cabo is absolutely gorgeous. Doesn't matter what time of year you go there. It's right on the ocean. And if you want to go to one of the most incredible places, you'll go to Pueblo Bonito Resort at Sunset Beach. In fact, I encourage you to Google that place. When you see the pictures, you're going to be like, wow, when are we going? And if you were to join our company today as a platinum member, you could go down there for 7 nights, 8 days, 90 days from this moment for $0.00. Nothing, nada, goose egg, cero dinero, translates in every single language, free. And so this is the kind of stuff that we've done where you're earning multiple trips like this per year. Well, maybe you want to go to Orlando, experience the magic of Disney. Here you can get a full kitchen, living room, flat screen TV, fireplace, a separate bedroom, sometimes with a jacuzzi tub in it, for $1 per night as a platinum member. That's $7 for the entire week. Maybe you want to go to the Canary Islands. You want to go to Africa. You want to go to Fiji. You want to go to the Philippines. You want to go to South America. You want to go to Canada, all over the United States. Again, 2,000 different resorts. Now, we also have our world tours where you can take the travel points that you're earning every single month for being a subscriber of ours, and you can apply that toward our world tours. Now, this particular year, we're going to be doing world tours everywhere. Now, my wife and I actually went to this place not but a couple months ago. It's called the Wynn in Las Vegas, Nevada. The rooms can run as much as $600 per night. We were there for $66 per night. And so this year, we're going to have world tours in Italy, Spain, France, United States, Dubai, 2 in the Caribbean, 1 in Mexico. And I'm just going to give you some examples. Let's say you want to go to Spain, and you can be there for 5 days, 4 nights, 2 meals a day. And that starts as a platinum member for $279 for all 5 days. Maybe you want to go to Punta Cana in the Caribbean. This is an all-inclusive, all the food, all the booze, all the sunshine, everything, right? 5 days for $299. Maybe you want to go to Hawaii for 5 days. How about $499? You want to go to France? I mean, ladies and gentlemen, you can. It's Valentine's Day is coming up at the time I'm recording this, and you can barely buy flowers for $100. You can take your significant other to France for $239. And trust me, those are 2 totally different experiences. Flowers are nice. Being in Paris is a completely different thing, right? So it's only $239 for 4 days, 3 nights. You want to go to Sicily. This is all inclusive, by the way, all the food, all the drinks, $449. You want to go to San Diego, only $259. Again, we have these everywhere. Now, some people say, you know what, Todd? I love the idea of traveling, but I don't really care about that Forex stuff. Other people say, man, I love the idea of Forex, but I don't really care about the travel stuff. And many people say, you know what? I want to become a travel trader. And a travel trader is where you travel for pennies on the dollar, you travel for free, and you're able to make money from your mobile phone anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You're a digital nomad, meaning you can travel anywhere and make money from anywhere. You are free to move about the world. We call that being a travel trader. And so you can buy travel only, no Forex, buy Forex only, no travel, or you can combine the 2. Now, with our travel, we got 3 different kinds of membership. We got small, medium, and best. And that ranges from $39 a month to $69 a month, all the way to $125 per month. And then we have our Forex service at $99 per month. And on our Forex, by the way, it is a demonstrably better product than anyone else out there in the marketplace today for less money than anyone in the marketplace today. And the same is true on our travel. And the great thing is with our memberships, you can choose to become a partner in our company. It's only $49 per year. And then if you go out there and tell 3 other people about our membership, you are now earning more than you are spending. You are in profitability, okay? So you tell 3 other people about our platinum membership. You're paying $125 a month. The company's paying you $127 a month. You tell 3 other people about our Forex membership. You're paying $99 a month. The company's paying you $102 a month. You tell people about our titanium membership. You're paying $69 a month. They're paying you $70 and some odd cents per month, right? You're earning more than you're spending. In other words, you're getting the membership for free. You're earning the vacations. What are they costing you? Nothing. I can go to Pueblo Bonito Resort at Sunset Beach 90 days from today for 7 nights, 8 days for nothing. And because I told 3 people, my membership is costing me nothing. I'm getting those tips on my phone every day on how to make money in the foreign exchange market, how to make money in the cryptocurrency markets. And that's costing me nothing because I told 3 other people about it. Now, when you look at our compensation program, we are a binary compensation system. Binary meaning 2. You have a left leg and a right leg. So if you were to sponsor me and you were to sponsor Julie, everyone else that you ever bring on from here on out forevermore has to go below me or Julie. One of the 2, you have no choice. And so they're going to build straight down very, very deep. Well, that's fantastic because if you then bring on Kevin and you put Kevin below me, I don't know Kevin. Kevin doesn't know me, but I'm going to benefit from Kevin, his team, and all the volume in the binary compensation program exactly the same as you. And so again, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So let's assume you bring on 4 people. You got 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and you help, now you're enjoying the service for free, right? Well, now you help your 2 on the left, 2 on the right, get a couple people each. Well, that gives you 5 titanium travel traders in the left leg and 5 titanium travel traders in the right leg. That's going to earn you $400 to $700 per month. Well, if you can help them get a couple people each, that is now going to make you a 2-star director in our company. You get a championship ring, like you see there in the lower right-hand corner, and you are now earning $1,500 to $2,500 per month. Well, if you can go out there and help 1 or 2 people in your left and right leg get a championship ring just like you did, you now become car eligible. You can now drive a brand new BMW like my wife's doing. You can be driving a brand new Mercedes like my buddy Danny's doing, or Eric's doing, or Marie Dragone's doing. You're car eligible. You're making $30,000 to $40,000 per year in income when you add up all the bonuses together. And how did you get here? Well, I went out and got 4. I got free service. I helped my 4 get a couple of people each. I'm now making $400 to $700 a month. Help them get a couple of people each. I'm making $1,500 to $2,500 a month, wearing a championship ring. I've helped 1 to 2 people in each leg get their ring. Now I'm driving a brand new BMW or Mercedes, okay, making $30,000 to $40,000 per year. I go out and help 1 more person each leg get their championship ring. Now I'm making $50,000 to $60,000 per year, more than the average American worker, more than the average European worker. And this is still a part-time venture. Well, if I can help 1 more person in each leg do what I just did, I now become an ambassador, which now means I'm making $90,000 to $110,000 per year in income. So I'm a 6-figure earner, and I only have a team of 125 people in each leg. And that's with our medium-sized travel package. If you did the platinum travel package with the Forex service, then it only takes 100 people in each leg for you to get to $100,000 per year ballpark income, right? And so there's never been a company in the history of our industry where you could get to the 6-figure neighborhood with a team of just a couple hundred people. And so it's historic. It's an incredible compensation program. It's making a huge difference in people's lives. And as your team continues to grow, so can your income. It can take you all the way to $3,200 a day, $96,000 per month, plus direct sales bonuses, plus leadership bonuses, plus vacation bonuses, car bonuses, ambassador pool bonuses. And don't forget all the money that you're making in the cryptocurrency markets, the Forex market, because you're a subscriber to our service. So we invite you to get back with whoever invited you to be here today, to learn about our company. Get back with that person. Say, you know what? I want a better life. I understand that a better life requires a better way. I want to become a travel trader today. And thanks for being with us. And thanks for listening. God bless.